The DJI Neo has now been fully leaked, but in this video I'll share some more exclusive footage of it while in flight and a more detailed unboxing. Let's get into it. So this is the second ever unboxing, again by an Italian YouTuber. I'll leave his tag here on the screen. Go check his full video out for further details. Here I will show you some clips of the drone. There are new details shared by the creator. The battery is a 7.2 volts Lion with 1,435 milliamp hours of capacity. The propellers are 2 inches 20 by 16, so it won't feature an aggressive pitch such as other regular FPV drones. I'll now leave you a flight footage of the Neo, leaked by Jasper Ellens. As you can hear, the noise is very high-pitched. I would say it's even higher than the Dji Neo maybe. I'm curious to see how it will perform in acro mode, so subscribe and stay tuned for the next leaks.